Do you want to work from home and earn in dollars and be part of the fast-growing real estate industry in the US, even if you're not there? Well, that's exactly what I do as a real estate virtual assistant. In today's video, I'll show you what real estate virtual assistant does, the exact tasks I handle for my clients, and how you can start this career too. So stick around because I'll share tips based on my own experiences that can help you land your first client. Hi, my name is Leah and I'm a virtual assistant for 9 years, and one of the most rewarding roles I've had is being a real estate VA. I've helped clients in the US with their property investments, from researching properties to preparing offers. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial about successful virtual assistant. What is real estate virtual assistant? A real estate virtual assistant is someone who supports real estate investors, agents, or wholesalers remotely. Tasks can be ranged from admin work like calls, emails, scheduling, to more specialized tasks like property research and deal analysis. Many real estate professionals outsource this task because it saves them time and money. One of the common tasks I do is running comps or comparable property research. This means checking properties similar to the one my client is interested in to estimate its value. I use Zillow or MLS to look at recently sold homes in the area. I once worked on a property where the seller wanted a way above market price, but after my comp research, I showed the actual market value, which helped my client negotiate a better deal. Another important task is calculating the ARV, or after repair value. This is the estimated value of the property after it's renovated. To do this, I compare it with already renovated homes in the same area. For instance, my client was looking at a upper fixer worth $150,000 now, and a nearby renovated homes are selling at $250,000. Then we can estimate a potential profit margin. It's like being a financial detective for properties. I also prepare offers for the sellers. My clients gives me the number or the target numbers, and I prepare the paperwork. I handle sending it over to, and this is the most crucial part because a clear and professional offer helps build trust and gets deals moving faster. Aside from numbers, I also help with communication, whether it's sending follow-up emails, coordinating with buyers, or updating sellers. It's not just about research, it's about being reliable and making sure that no opportunities are missed. Skills you need as a real estate VA. Number one is attention to detail, especially in doing run comps or calculating the ARV. Knowledge of tools like Zillow, PropStream, Podio, FreedomSoft, and other even simple CRMs. Communication skills, clear professional emails and calls. Basic math and analysis for computing ARV and repair costs. Time management, since clients often work in different time zones. How to get started? Number one, build a simple resume or portfolio, highlighting your research and admin skills. Number two, practice on Zillow and Realtor.com to understand comps. And number three, join freelancing platforms like Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, freelancer.com, and many more. And number four, network in real estate Facebook groups. Many investors look for VAs there. And number five, you can offer a free trial at first just to build trust and gain experience. So that's a quick overview of what a real estate virtual assistant does based on my own experiences. From researching property to calculating the ARV or computing the ARV, to preparing and sending offers, and many more. So if you're looking for a VA role that pays well and gives you the chance to learn a lot about real estate industry, this is a great option. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell as well. And you can also comment if you would like me to share more in-depth tutorials on tools like FreedomSoft or Podio, or step-by-step procedure on how to do run comps or property research, or a step-by-step procedure on how to calculate the ARV. Thanks for watching and good luck on your VA journey.